I eat breakfast at 7 a.m. म बिहान 7 बजे खाजा खान्छु. I eat breakfast at 7 a.m. She went to the market yesterday. उनी हिजो बजार गइन्. She went to the market yesterday. They will study for the exam tomorrow. उनीहरू भोलि परीक्षाको लागि पढ्नेछन्. They will study for the exam tomorrow. He is playing football now. ऊ हाल फुटबल खेलिरहेको छ. He is playing football now. We were watching a movie last night. हामी हिजो राति फिल्म हेरिरहेका थियौँ. We were watching a movie last night. She will be sleeping at this time tomorrow. उनी भोलि यो समयमा सुतिरहेकी हुनेछिन्. She will be sleeping at this time tomorrow. I have finished my homework. मैले मेरो होमवर्क सकेको छु. I have finished my homework. She had left before I arrived. म आउनुभन्दा अघि नै ऊ गइसकेको थियो. He had left before I arrived. By next year, they will have built a bridge. अर्को वर्षसम्म उनीहरूले पुल बनाइसक्नेछन्. By next year, they will have built the bridge. She has been living here for 3 years. उनी यहाँ 3 वर्षदेखि बसिरहेकी छिन्. She has been living here for 3 years. They had been playing until it started to rain. पानी पर्न थालेसम्म उनीहरू खेलिरहेका थिए. They had been playing until it started to rain. I will have been studying for 2 hours by the time you arrive. तपाईँ आउनुभएसम्म म 2 घण्टादेखि पढिरहेको हुनेछु. If it rains, we will stay home. यदि पानी पर्छ भने हामी घरमा बस्छौँ. If it rains, we will stay home. If I had known, I would have called you. मलाई थाहा भएको भए मैले तपाईलाई फोन गरेको हुन्थे. If I had known, I would have called you. If you study well, you will pass the exam. तपाईँ राम्ररी पढ्नुभयो भने परीक्षामा उत्तीर्ण हुनुहुनेछ. Please close the door. कृपया ढोका बन्द गर्नुहोस्. Please close the door. It is important that he be on time. उस समयमा पुग्नु महत्त्वपूर्ण छ. It is important that he be on time. I wish I were in Nepal now. काश म अहिले नेपालमा हुनु हो. I wish I were in Nepal now. To see is to believe. देख्नु नै विश्वास गर्नु हो. To see is to believe. Swimming is fun. पौडी खेल्नु मजेदार छ. Swimming is fun. पौडी खेल्नु मजेदार छ. The barking dog scares me. भुक्ने कुकुरले मलाई डराउँछ. The barking dog scares me. The broken glass was sharp. फुटेको काँच धारिलो थियो. The broken glass was sharp. Can you help me? तपाईँ मलाई मद्दत गर्न सक्नुहुन्छ? Can you help me? You should visit पोखरा. तपाईले पोखरा घुम्नुपर्छ. You should visit पोखरा. तपाईले पोखरा घुम्नुपर्छ. It might rain today. आज पानी पर्न सक्छ. It might rain today. Birds fly in the sky. चरा आकाशमा उड्छन्. Birds fly in the sky. चराहरू आकाशमा उड्छन्. They bought a new car last week. उनीहरूले गत हप्ता नयाँ कार किने. They bought a new car last week. He will visit his grandparents next month. अर्को महिना आफ्ना हजुरबुवा हजुरआमालाई भेट्न जानेछौ. He will visit his grandparents next week. He finished his dinner half an hour ago. उसले आधी घण्टा अगाडि आफ्नो भोजन पूरा गरेको थियो. He finished his dinner half an hour ago. She was dancing when the music suddenly stopped. जब उनी नाचिरहेकी थिइन् तब सङ्गीत बन्द भयो.